Letter C, K, Q. Letter C, K, Q. For these three letters, there are only one sound. That is K. K, K. C, K, Q. Sound is K, K, K. You can say in different ways, like K, K, something K. That's it. Okay, so word code, sentence, it is my code, connected speech is my code. Okay, another one, letter G. Sound G. G. Word goat. Sentence, it is my goat. Connected speech, it's my goat. This T is silent. This T is silent. Okay? So, say with me. Letter C. Say with me. Letter C, K, Q. Sound, There is also another sound. Word coat. American, they will say coat. Oh, coat. And British people, they will say oh, coat. Coat or coat. Both are correct. If you follow British one, you can say coat. If you follow American one, you can say coat. So coat, sentence, it is my coat. Connected speech is my coat. Letter G, sound G, word goat. Sentence, it is my goat. Connected speech is my goat. Okay? So come on, practice again. Letter C, K, Q. Sound K. Sound. Word coat. Sentence, it is my coat.
It's my coat.
Connected speech, it's my coat.
It's my coat.
Letter G,
Go.
sound G. Word goat.
Goat.
Sentence, it is my goat.
It's my goat.
Connected speech, it's my goat.
It's my goat.
So everyone please loudly. I want is in chorus way. Okay. Letter C, K, Q. Sound K. Word coat. Sentence, it is my coat. Connected speech. It's my coat. It's my coat. Letter G. Sound G. Word goat. Sentence, it is my goat. Connected speech is my goat.